Alright guys, now I'm going to show you how you can convert your current personal account into a business or a creator's account, and it is super simple. Now I'm going to show you how you're going to do it. Just go into your settings. After that you have to click on account. Then you see that at the end there's a switch to professional account. You tap on it, then you choose a creator account because we recommend it. It's super simple to use. You click on next. Then it'll give you some suggestions down below. Now whatever the category you think you are from, you just select that. Like most of you are going to be like bloggers, so just select bloggers. Go next. Sorry, it's taking a bit of time, and that is it. Your creator account is made. Alright, now once you've got a creator or a business account made, the next step is that you have to make sure that it is connected with the Facebook page, and that too is super simple. Tap on edit your profile, and down below you got a page option. Tap on it and it takes you here. I've already got a page connected with it, so in case you don't have a business page, you can always create one by tapping on creating a Facebook page, and it automatically connects with your